mala man bako remind ja buko cha gora da mandan ni chankot gam jok dina bi bona bugo go along ala bugo me raja ka ki December 15 December 15 mugi kona che ne to mana kan che kana ka kon da go along auto cause jan be in December 15 mo dena je gorto te ga to mana to cha lara shi konde dare jan once chalara auto shi konde miskaring cause a reminder ko reminder kono te cha lat kene konde cha yikin cha bas ke kep to juba self akima yabit che de go de kon go to de kon yikin de kon ke disrespect ka do mi chiro lo ka jen do mo chalaro de kon mi shikan mo de kon las online ko shi kon de la once mana dian o da go to ko ci kon ngajo on December 15 no ban den aran realika de tishen da kon de kambra condition content no do to ci changa mo che to wala to en do not let kon me show to we revenge she jan the content but o kon bane ngajo na mecha to ko che to we have to remind ne kon to na mecha to gona ngai kon to kon historical background actually chukon dear ko to mubro de lada kan kon mugoro we study today to cause ngai kono history choro lad ne la kana lar to yene sha ne na ka 1991 mo 1991 mutede de na ngongo je ajan 1991 na ka ne kono ne re capital juba ki ajan menong civil war chigo milin kono ta kan tere charka din ke self ke kene de ne ka tere charri no na me begin a revenge jan mutu ko ja shi mu pai bujek ke pai bujek ta amiritin mu chikana da alka to be kana lad and that the reason why che to ko kon kam shi ko to ko kon de kon kul goro den yari alka de da go to ko ngai kon che to ko de ndare alka ka do de ko alka ka je ko ban mu shikana mo che bu go to be nyoko to ka wido den ke go ko ken agenda nan goro to de kona gode ne je Nigeria leka ka do mo fa ko chan ngajo December 15 baben o che ko bogo me abong me de comment o to ram gore de jek chimgi kon tour de mon de kon kujuma de kon gbo ka ta ndan te ga de kon right no to kan cha goro gadan shenkot no to the tribal reign and autonomous state failures allow ala doro ndana roina kien kume sheben ko doro ina show to a country ken do badana chipen ke rich South Sudan monongo to be civil war beteten kajen do mo ko kon ngajo civil war happen already cheni lam to one check claim de go de kon ngajo what was the root cause tan jeling already to kadamana na chanko che gorna me ajene na me mit kin mishare laka akane ren kontelat kana mo mishu gujja chikan lat ka do brande kan lat ka je ka chikan goro bi tik nen wan bikan ka pa de kon ka demanda ni chen ko ka chapter 1 che mishi gui gomo che gorna ne an existed tribal motive behind December 15 2013 ajana mit tin mishare la ka woto bane to ba ka nakke ba ka eliminate actually man goal self care kana jangtin interested ki motivated ko de no de can eliminate South Sudan kan chicken realaka and they just train a self care ma yadi kana young councils elders chicken realaka to ba Nuer ba ka eliminate the race of Sudan and do mo mi chicken calculate mi mo chir tere cherka dan ko Nuer to mi shogo to go no chicken la do try 1991 is to ke ron kin da ru da kurban won jima ngon kel isha kanak which I don't know simply he ngajo to nishang akola kanatan but cha time medan a process station lat ko to de na de ke shen kamal mu kwa kon kam so Sudan ke ban so Sudan independent ban eje a ko to cha duete cha lat ke time medan cha kapal ngai kono take event dangerous event to take place that moment but children who not come cha goro to kwa goro de ke revenge in those events I don't think on the South Sudan de jek South Sudan cha de jek that bang then I want under North Sudan Again, they content jalap manager. Can he con me talk a jalap kakon? Who con Christian, eh? But con torture could do to go to con a kakan Muslim, nay and war between a Christian and Muslim. Again, down and to a man there con a young agent more to make it to a mirror like a time done. Categor. Dumnu chaka parwe ko chagoro to Ramkel Karwade, che which a dejak. Jadeto. Which Jaja coach na Tigorodian cup. Me take a permit me pin, me ramkel take examples, me come con, permit me taping. Me ramkel who wanna jacarwada, cheja longa cup there cup guardian. But me chaloga rather din, she can make all the tribe from South Sudan, Nuer Dinka, Shiluk, and all those tribes, go 64 tribe. Ne to me she bin kwa kel can permit can cap you can let guardian. Again cook on move for jen cook on country quala jekaja. La South Sudan, again which nene dia black ne, especially la actual go to truly black chene cause ki truly Africans ko actual African cause and coloran to jen ka brown even they are about jen ko being black ko kan American chol karoto African American black I think or something like that so mugi corner con ka kon la true africano ka kuja mo de kon cha ka ku me de kon nyam ko je so cha te je te chiro lat cha ka palwe okay again ku aso Sudan ku ala chol so Sudan o cha te kon te chiro lat cha ka pal but right now ko she can belogo to de te wal de ka pal she can mutual revenge she can carry on that revenge tell like medina jan she ja gore be je claim can je claim ko ka kanore can other people of South Sudan I just like me did me she kon we kon ko dop dan de kon we kejan once de kon goro to kone me cha talk ka do ba cha talk je ci kon de goro to de kon goro de kon jako weniam dungo cha wenena cha we de kon ka pelika dungo ci kon ede parwich na metetin enemy ci to la tetin la tere charana but tere charana ci to ba riven ki ba je chol ba do bu kon ngajo ne mecha to ka gwase dan even no bideten no bu ko rimanyo to she was even kanwari story chatwalk muku so Sudan ko ti daglane shumen walentama akui ko shi mishe kana mochara lat South Sudan da go to de kon iston di chitkati de kon kangaj shi kon ngajo to ke that December 15 akana ne ben 15 and 16 de kon men la shekering then a chen kon de go de kon cham amuluno a respect ka needing konti ci konti gen ci kon bag ki shabat reida ngai kono to ci kon ka lenyi ko di kon teka bado mishi tamu mo mishi jiram mo mishi gwadu mishi ben e ma do biji gwe cha del bang ko na mo dun ko dun no jekting mo babat ka duo mishi ro lo gano ran wade liu ke natural causes ki ka mishi ko do gore be liu ke duo bo mo kel mi bu kon ngajo to ke December 15 de koring de condition as a respect luno ko ne kon and even ishitwo mekan mutwo re take a South Sudanese ke re take a Nuer o ba baran bring the man be cham kana mutwo re Nuer mo ajan mo gode to sharing mo cha de sham gaja ne de kon take doubt ko don why Nuer kan to sharing mo de cham kwimuka ba de kon she ben machine ma cha talk mekan ma talk against Nathan Con tin chije gujo don to take tin na me Mariam Dekel no you are a jin boy a jin Ugandan a jin Kenyan a jin South Sudanese a jin Northern Sudan a jin American ki take Europe country ki all the continent tin kon to him a jin Nuer mi cha ga ka tong Nuer mumor a Nuer ko gur shi Nuer ngod bo a jin Nuer mu gur shi Nuer ko mor Nuer ngod bo a jin Nuer enemy she your both parent she can Nuer kan dia la jan chai bi chol Nuer dung no muraje ko tong Nuer a jin Nuer we consider you as indigenous kan Nuer cause ngeji mandan le road a jan mission na mono to they remind ke yo to men gor kon this time o bane ngajo December 15 always bene yare na me chato ka chato ko nena mi jin gan wori a changle jin le la bonbo jin others Africans bo ne de shanak kan wori shitkeji where be chanu na a part of you you have to care, okay. They con go they con show. It's not a politic. Chairman la need one ala de politic. Jira mo mitelo ko genuati ke liu de la to a gen door me te qui door deal serious. Cause nuer a genuer ang ab de be wo point do genuer. Con she ignore it's so a politics, see politics. Anywhere to know to know a mazo to be you feel bad and me to talk. Kay changa wal diet kan chang wal bakel ron kinadaro with the world jokka paiwero. And every year I'm allowed to know about you celebrate ko ngai kono to take one jan ka one, okay. Ni term do kon care of Jesus silo dan chetes ko trop logistic Ethiopia trop logistic Kenya trop logistic North Sudan everywhere michi which around the world trop logistic and being co refugees is very bad ko and life dan ches around ko bukon refugees but na maybe ke be leadership and take a con chikon leadership ngwa chikon keep again mishit kana mo so ke time guru to bukon take a mat ko bukon take down when I turn around she auto gin intellectual again be turn around or begin to what are the choices to move forward can those choices can it condemn with the wonya choice in them auto ban bong chima cha gor da man dan chen ko bana janga jo to gwarje ke reason an bugo me mu gwarje mo auto ba ko remind ke te chiro lat re South Sudan ki anywhere gore je boto ene gan were mi te ka doro mi ngeje ki mi shero long go to be mi shit ke te bo bakala bana wer bana ka look duk to go bu kon ke historical background ala problem dan telecon writers telecon e de kon gor ko kwite kan were tin kon to re nwere ko mi kon ka ngwaga de korik di ala lat ka rore nwere de ne ka so kon telecon gwan mi ci kon documents tin woto te te ke tuyir ladne na ka do me agenda na ku kon ham so mi kon ke document like this but kon keep reminding ko this time ci kon di ala go out, okay. Teram lel ngora lo a villager kon di al chana gwar chana nga ci kon kun ci kon nga mi ngeje tong nwere ngay to ko ene ko de yi ko nda lo du nugu ji oto dongo mi shi lo du ka do dan bi shi lo du je of course you have to ask but them more be teach cause na ma chana understand ka do menena chen ajen do dan go kon de kon la this time matago shi oto yi te ga manga je no bado de goro to de no da ra feel on wer ara maran anywhere we mon tika long medele kan nore long du o bike jako to be mandana ngong na be nyot ka de just sol de area gamo agenda na gor kon me take a live right now me go video man man dir gor long December 15 jan shaban ka bene shaban ka ja o to banane kon banane remind o this event this wars event kan were historical chatwo this was event historical of South Sudan chatwo Chia guru benyoko talk anywhere else in the world can worry. Ki any human races. Konedial jalke human, one human race. But Shaitan, Jakon could have been surrounded. Choraro de to an Africans, an American, and all that. I'm from India, I'm from Asia, and whatever. God and so Name a part of Shaitan contributing to the Gobernaba divided. Tell Ramla superior ka Nyamko. Kondi alko kon superior ko ci ko larto en ci chak ke meida ci kon mo ka kiu me de kon char but che dan yalla mai na la bana slow down, okay bro go to ti ke char me menetin de goro to mugurje dong de kon cheer goro to bow life either ke Facebook ke ka jana YouTube da gwade ya gurni cha. I'll be talking a lot of stuff concerning Nuer historicals, especially Kote Mwanangwangana. Me ban life well, until a good mobile one, but thanks to my brother Ushan Tong Yik, share cook mobile dan ko life I try to manage it to like go talking to the chamber tell away out. But right now, because brother, God bless you for the great job you have done. Mobile color life with you right now. I believe every day, Miteram Guru don't direct Abone, Kakwin or anything like asking me a lot of questions concerning music that we do about the Nuer people, because you know to Kagwane mal Lene to one Kakwin or ne the content you can check about Ray ko South Sudan. Didn't katka kunena kunek encourage ko to de kardian ngaji kangane re teka kajan dobo mo chilo the test mutika comment ki anything muguje de yilar gore be drop thanks to my brother Chankot Gam Panywan ka job di de shalare ne di which ambok ya go South Sudan the tribal range and autonomous state failures mishu guje abung mo gwalong look at it go along boom go jan take a paint shop 1 and 52 1 and 52 a book mugwa misha gora gwa ka che gor ka language mugwa ka to kwani dara kon mi ala mi muguru je they contact bokos they lara cause they were now is ready also don't the kwagya ka gambe la Ethiopia raja ka gambe ko kwagya da gwa bo to de kon ngaji to da take yodi ke da anda ko yodi la price the jogome kana gartin do know I believe take a price method don't share 150 bur don't share then ko jana ni kon ka tigo ka tuma kami ramu gujo don da hat ke jabo don de chan ko den take pdf on pdf makana kan so da de ro lo ke jabo go dan as a reference kam tin kon and go kon chan ko chamu go ani jan chelat next time ba you go book do den don de no live de yen bu guj bona bogo mo bogo dan right book queen wari lara jo to gor damanan ken misale George lara je bo to nuari ngu mi historian ke ken bukane che goro to da nuar da ka gor da ka magwa kel ko nuati daglane daglan mana daglani je o kon tele kon mat so tele mat ka no dupti je okay la goro to kondial de ko rangaji to ladana ngu what we do amendian ke de kon ni amde in that process chow to gadaro to chikan promise obe kon bong to go then I go nyam okay jan duom de ye encourage bo to meti anything sim don de rana chum gaje gore bana chum cause jan dan gor kon bana nyam gaje tel no dien gor kon o de kon nyam re tinlet kon ka jan gwasana de chongo goma bukwana kos bede kel kaya ramnan te ka bungo ba adamana ni chen kot gam panywan don't chebule goro don't de sure de parwich in that way cause gor yo to bar look you know ka tin kon to re teka jan buk da na mona goro to bijek cha moy ke tura mo gwaba tura mi nyodo to china chin cha na jo ke te kor je to mi shu gije jan tada bu kwen kos bari kel ge ya bye